Hey, what's up guys, it's Sinex playing Gangster New Orleans, and guys, welcome to Beast Machines.
Make the ground shake.
No, I'm not gonna review any of those vehicles, neither the police car. Today guys, we are gonna review, yes, a bulldozer. Now this bulldozer, trust me, it's like the beast of the beast. And you guys might say, Sinex, it's a bulldozer, it's not even a vehicle. Guys, it is like the strongest vehicle in the game. It is really powerful and you can't actually find it in the street that much. It's like really rare on the streets, but you can just find it like once or twice in like 20 minutes of gameplay or something. But you can easily find it in Spirit Jar. I got it from a premium jar. Let me just show you guys the stats of this vehicle. Now if you actually look at the power, it's just 734. That's literally like the half, actually less than half of V16 if we compare it with it. Acceleration is 74, top speed is 240. It's actually similar to any cop car. The cop car you can see on the right side, the Guardian. It's actually similar to it. Armor is 2300. Again, so much of armor. Acceleration, yes, it is slow vehicle, but top speed, you got a lot of top speed right there. Let's look at the different colors. Now on the street guys, you find this in yellow color. A bulldozer is always yellow, right? But you don't have yellow color in a paint job. So let me just show you different colors that we have. Oh, look at that one. That one is like the expensive one. Oh, green. We got the pink. Oh, pink looks good though. Alright, orange, brown, blue. Oh, blue is good too. Then we got light green, red, oh white. Oh, white would actually look good. Should get a white delivered. So let's paint it white guys. I had it in default gray color. Trust me, I actually want a yellow. Oh wow. Wow, okay. So guys, why this vehicle is beast? Because this thing has this, I don't know, what do you call it? It's like a Fast and Furious ramp car, you know. It actually works like that. So, and the best place to ride this vehicle is in traffic. Yeah. So let me just show you guys something. Like I said guys, it's just like a ramp car. It is slow in acceleration, but top speed is good, so you can actually just get to any vehicle you want. It's like so strong, it can actually just clear traffic for you. Oh, look at that girl. Poor Sarah. Oh no. Okay guys, get ready for this. Because I can, because it's a bulldozer. Oh man, this thing is just strong. Not many vehicles can push like this, and certainly not many SUVs can do this, but bulldozer right here, it's just flying through people. Look at this. Ooh. And guys, has an armor of 2000. Oh, and this thing is just strong. Look at, oh, it's just strong. Oh shit! Wow. Let's go against cops. Damn. I know. Okay, my glass is broken and stuff, but the vehicle is not smoking yet. After going, and this is like one of the features, you know, crashing through people's vehicles. It's the feature of the vehicle. It would be so cool if the siren on the top, like the orange light, would actually glow. Oh, we are throwing away people. Wow. Bye people. Hey man, just wanna say hi. Oh, flying people right now. Okay, my vehicle looks messed. Trust me, it's not. Oh, that was like a casual walk on a bulldozer, man. Sweet. Yo, again. It's like very casual right now. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, just a casual walk on a bulldozer. Just everyday thing. Okay, now it's on fire. Guys, let's change the vehicle really quick. Let's come back. On the street, guys, you can find yellow bulldozers, but you don't have yellow in paint job. Oh man, just add yellow, guys. Yellow is a pretty cool color to have. But I'm sure in the next update, a new color is coming. Okay, guys, can we go against the bus? Can we go against a bus? Oh. Oh. No, okay. Come on. Man, but that's like so much of power right now. Yo, come on. Oh, we messed up the bus. We messed it. Oh, we won't. Our bus disappeared. It's again cool against with people. I mean, look at people flying. Yo, yay, just like that. Let's go to the traffic area of French Quarter. So crashing into cars make your vehicle dent, but that's okay. Because right now we are just gonna make some vehicles fly. Yeah. We are gonna make vehicles fly. And girls fly. Oh, we get cops easily on this thing. This thing is just so massive and dangerous. Cops are scared. Cops are scared of us, man. Oh, that cop. Oh, cops are crashing into me. It's their fault. Oh my god. Did you guys just see that? 3 vehicles popping in. Backing. Oh, what happens to the biker? Oh shit. Never mind. Don't even ask me what happened to the biker. Oh, people are just coming in the way. People are just coming in the way. Damn, okay, that vehicle was in parking mode. Can we push a cop into the water? Actually, let's try that. Come to the other side, guys. Come to the other side. Okay. Let's see if we can push a cop car into the water. Hey man, I just want to push you down. Oh yeah. The cops are smart. Hey man, I just want to push you in the water. Oh shit, can we? No, don't go in the water. Oh, come on. Yeah, those guys don't know that. They thought that I sunk in the water. These guys are actually going away. Alright, let's just wait. But yeah, that's actually pretty strong vehicle. Pretty strong. And we are about to escape cops. Wow. They actually thought I drowned. I mean, look on the left top, guys. My wanted level is going down. So yeah, let's just wait here for a couple of seconds. But yeah, guys, this is really strong vehicle. If you have unlocked this vehicle, you're one of the lucky guys. This thing is just beast. I'll try to play more of this on the live stream, show you guys how really strong this vehicle is. And with that amount of shooting bullets shooting at me by the cops, trust me, I would be dead by now. Our wanted level is 0. See, there we go. See guys, this is what I was talking about. Thing is, cop cars don't have that much power. Not many vehicles have power like that. But that vehicle is just sliding through the traffic, man. That's really awesome. So yeah guys, this will be it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, peace out.